Hey, it's Hamish, CEO and co-founder here at OrderEditing.com. If you want to set up a Klaviyo integration and send order updated emails through Klaviyo, it's a great idea. Before we dive into the template, I want to make sure that you're connected to Klaviyo. If you haven't done this yet, watch our other video on how to integrate Klaviyo, but connect this up before you start. Once you're connected, head to Klaviyo and go to flows, and we're going to build our own flow. And let's call this order updated. And we're going to create it manually. Once you're in your flow, we need to select our trigger. And the reason why we're integrated is to pick up the trigger edits saved. You'll find it under your metrics, order editing, edits saved. Small note here, the triggers will only show up if they've been triggered before. So if you don't see edits saved in the list, create an order in Shopify and edit it using the order editing app, and then you'll find it'll show up here because we would have received the trigger. So you can confirm and save that. And now we're going to start building our flow. The first thing I want to do is add a time delay. And we're going to set this to 5 minutes. Reason being, a customer might save an order edit many times. They might change their address and then add another product to their order and then apply the discount code they forgot. And you wouldn't want to send them 6 emails. It makes no sense. So if we add a time delay and then a conditional split, you can then consolidate all of those events into one simple email. Super easy. The thing that we're going to choose here is what someone has done or not done. Person has, we're going to find the metric, edits, saved, at most once in the last, and let's say 1 hour. You could do 30 minutes or less, but the way that this is working now is when this gets triggered, and it will get triggered multiple times, all of those events will flow through here after 5 minutes, land on the split, and the first time the event happens, it's going to go to a yes statement. And then every time after that, since it's happened more than once in the last hour, it's going to go to what's a no, which is effectively a dead end. So let's save that. And then we just need to drag an email block here. And your email team may design a template, and I'm going to show you some inspiration with what a client of ours uses. We can set a subject. Your order was updated. I'm sure you can do some preview text too. And then I've actually got a template. So I'm just going to select the template that I have and grab my order updated email. And I'll show you how to build these yourself. So if you look at my template, it's really simple. We have a nice design showing the brand and then straightforward text saying your order was updated. Check out your saved changes by clicking the button below and a nice button that says view updated order. This is super important. This button here links back to Shopify's order status URL, their order status page. That is where the most up-to-date information for the order lives. The products that are on the order, the shipping address, the billing address, etc. And the reason why we do this is, unfortunately, we can't pass through the updated shipping address or the updated products to Klaviyo. They only know the order as it's created, so order edits don't sync through in that way, despite the integration. So what you do instead is you just contextually tell the customer, you give them the confirmatory email, your order was updated, and then you link them back to the order status page where they can simply click there and confirm it visually too. That is all that you need to do. We can exit this here, say it's done, and if I turn this flow on, the next time I make an order edit as a customer, it's going to wait a few minutes to make sure that I finish my editing session. It's going to check that this was the first edit that I saved, and then at the end of that editing session, it's going to send me an email and let me know that, hey, Hamish, in fact, your order was updated. We got you. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We've got intercom in the app. My email is hamish@orderediting.com. We can't wait to hear from you.